got
Dang. Recording? You got it? Woo! Oh, dang. This one comes with like a whole toolbox. Alright, let me make sure. Only the toolbox. Okay, so we'll remove those and then we will take the side parts off. This whole toolbox, the 12 needle only came with like a little zipper pouch. This is like we're going fishing with our tackle box. All right, and now it says to accessories, bobbin winder, frame holder. This one has like a whole bunch of stuff.
Show it to YouTube too.
This one has this accessory box. Cap station. Great assistant. And this looks like part of the base. Wow. I don't know what this big metal thing is, but we have some hoops. It's huge. And so here we have the genuine same weather reds and bottoms. So much bigger than the 12 needle. But it's beautiful! Oh my god! Okay, so they come, I remember this part with the 12 needle, it comes bolted down to the crate. So,
the machine is mounted back into the pallet underneath with two screws.
two screws.
counterclockwise direction.
So it says you'll need an Allen wrench from the toolkit. So if you haven't unboxed one of these before, when you go to your order, I bought mine from Amazon. It gives you steps that you have to follow in order to keep your warranty good through SmartStitch. So you have to like watch the videos and make sure you're doing it, because they'll ask you in order to get put into the SmartStitch user group. So I'm making sure that I'm doing that as well. Alright, so it's that Allen wrench. No, it's not. It's like this one's like a regular wrench.
One burn. And then you get it by hand. All the people.
Look how giant this thing is that holds it down. So this is what is holding it down. I think there's 3 of them, because there's not one in this top corner. But that, you have to unbolt it from the bottom crate. Oh, there were 2?
Might be
there
a
only
third.
2?
There might be a third one.
Okay, so it was bolted down on 2. There were only 2.
Put the second washer and nut.
Okay, so we need these. Will we be able to get this in, or should we do this part inside?
We should build the table inside.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we can do the table out here. The table will be able to get inside.
We will.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be too wide.
No,
for a door.
for the door.
Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Where are those scissors go?
Behind the top.
There's a lot of people in there, I think, but I just don't know how to tell. I think it's probably a number that's like right there.
Does that one say it?
Yeah, that one says 0 people.
You like Mama's machine? Is it big?
Can I see the toolbox?
I don't think that's big. How big is it? Stand right here. Turn around and wave. Wave up there. Hi. See yourself up there?
I can't.
Come here.
Let's go.
Can you wait a second to...
Can you do this side since it's like where the crate is, and then
for the crate?
yeah, it's my lock are here. We gotta
Yeah, lock it.
Basketball. What?
Okay.
We're playing this out.
Ready?
Hey, Dad.
What is it? Oh, the little things going on.
Lift with your back. Oh my God.
Look at your legs. That's why. This one's on.
Woo! Woo! That's heavy.
Get it, girl.
Oh my God.
Get it, girl.
That thing is heavy. She's beautiful. And I chose the blue base because I did not want a neon green. Guys, oh my gosh. She's beautiful. She's heavy. Whew. All right, we are going Yes, I hope you get to purchase one soon too. All right, guys, we are gonna have to take it offline, get it in the house, but I don't want you guys watching me struggle with that. So thank you